Understanding the signs of mutual chemistry between two people can be quite challenging. Is chemistry that mysterious and hard to describe spark you experience when you instantly connect with someone? Is it the strong physical attraction you feel, or a fantastic conversation where you both seem to agree on everything? Is chemistry in a relationship a crucial foundation, or can we manage without it? These are questions we often think about as we engage in romantic relationships. Whether you're in high school or beyond, understanding the different types of chemistry can help you navigate the complex world of relationships. This video reviews the 6 types of chemistry in relationship. As indicated by research, the more compatible a couple is in the 6 areas of chemistry, the stronger the couple's bond. So, let's get started. 1. Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry in relationships is the intense connection experienced when two individuals are physically close. It encompasses the palpable attraction and electric spark that ignites when you're near someone you're drawn to. This chemistry induces a rush of emotions, often described as butterflies in your stomach and a racing heart. It's the magnetic pull that makes you want to be in the presence of that special person, whether it's the thrill of a touch, a passionate kiss, or simply enjoying their proximity. Physical chemistry plays a significant role in the initial stages of a relationship, creating the excitement and anticipation that can lead to deeper emotional and intellectual connections as the relationship progresses. 2. Emotional chemistry. Emotional chemistry is the profound bond formed between individuals on an emotional level. It encompasses the ability to engage in open and meaningful conversations about feelings, thoughts, and experiences. This type of chemistry allows two people to connect deeply, empathize with each other's emotions, and create a sense of genuine understanding. Emotional chemistry is vital in relationships as it serves as the bedrock upon which strong and enduring connections are built. It enables partners to navigate challenges together, offer emotional support, and cultivate trust. Ultimately, emotional chemistry fosters a profound connection that goes beyond the surface, enriching relationships with authenticity, vulnerability, and a deep sense of closeness. 3. Intellectual chemistry. Intellectual chemistry is a profound connection rooted in stimulating conversations and shared interests. It goes beyond surface-level interactions and delves into the realm of intellectual engagement. When you experience intellectual chemistry with someone, it signifies a mutual enjoyment of discussing ideas, engaging in debates, and continuously learning from one another. It's a unique bond that thrives on the exchange of thoughts, the challenge of ideas, and the growth that emerges from these interactions. Intellectual chemistry often lays the foundation for deep and lasting connections, fostering a sense of intellectual companionship that transcends mere physical attraction or superficial compatibility. It allows individuals to connect on a level where their minds resonate, making it a crucial aspect of many meaningful and fulfilling relationships. 4. Social chemistry. Social chemistry is the ease and comfort two individuals feel when interacting in social situations. It's the magical connection that makes spending time together enjoyable, whether with friends, family, or in various social settings. When there's social chemistry, conversations flow effortlessly, and both people feel relaxed and themselves. Shared interests, humor, and a mutual understanding of social dynamics play a vital role in fostering social chemistry. It's not just about getting along one-on-one, it extends to being harmonious in each other's social circles. In essence, social chemistry enhances the overall quality of a relationship by ensuring that both individuals genuinely enjoy each other's company, not just in private but also in the vibrant tapestry of social life. 5. Spiritual chemistry. Spiritual chemistry is a profound connection in relationships that transcends religious beliefs. Instead, it revolves around a shared set of core values, life goals, and a mutual sense of purpose. When two individuals experience spiritual chemistry, they feel a strong alignment in their life journeys. This connection goes beyond superficial interests or attractions, delving into the essence of what gives life meaning. It involves a deep understanding and harmony in how both partners perceive the world and their places in it. Whether it's a shared passion for making a difference in the world, a common commitment to personal growth, or a shared sense of moral values, spiritual chemistry creates a powerful bond that strengthens relationships and provides a sense of fulfillment and unity. 6. Creative chemistry. Creative chemistry in a romantic relationship refers to the unique and imaginative connection between partners. It's about infusing novelty and excitement into the relationship by exploring new activities, interests, and experiences together. This type of chemistry thrives on spontaneity and a willingness to step outside one's comfort zone. Partners with creative chemistry often engage in joint artistic endeavors, try new hobbies, or embark on adventures, fostering a deep sense of togetherness and mutual growth. Creative chemistry breathes life into the relationship, keeping it vibrant and dynamic. It encourages partners to view their connection as a canvas to express themselves, reinforcing the bond by embracing the beauty of shared creativity and innovation. Ultimately, creative chemistry is a powerful force that helps couples grow and evolve together, strengthening their romantic bond. In conclusion, relationships are complex, but understanding the 6 types of chemistry: physical, emotional, intellectual, social, spiritual, and creative can be a valuable tool in navigating the world of dating and relationships. Remember, it's not just about one type of chemistry, it's about finding a balance that works for you and your partner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And as always, share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep exploring the world of relationships and finding that special chemistry that makes your heart sing.